Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2017 GMC Sierra half-ton SLT equipped with the Premium Plus and Max tow packages. On the front end of the vehicle we have LED headlights with LED daytime running lights and fog lights. Under the hood sits a 5.3 liter V8 engine that produces 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are aftermarket 20-inch American racing wheels and heated power folding tow mirrors. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as our easy lift and lower tailgate and tonneau cover. This Sierra has a towing capacity of up to 10,700 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as our Bose audio sound system, and our automatic four-wheel drive controls and automatic headlight controls. This Sierra is also equipped with a power sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. We also have a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert with low-speed automatic braking, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls as well as lane keep assist and a wireless charging pad. And on the vehicle's key fob we have a remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.